Hi everyone! Today I'll show you on how to disconnect your HubSpot integration from the Eazybe WhatsApp extension, whether you've connected the wrong account or you just want to unlink it. Here's a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Disconnect via Eazybe WhatsApp extension. Open your Eazybe WhatsApp extension and click on the integrations icon. 2. Under the HubSpot section, click the Disconnect button. 3. A pop-up will appear asking the confirmation. Click Disconnect again. 4. Done! Your HubSpot account is now disconnected. Step 2. Disconnect via Eazybe Workspace. 1. Open the Eazybe Workspace and click the Organization button in the right sidebar. On the Organization page, select the Integrations option from the left sidebar. 3. Under the HubSpot CRM Integration section, click Configure. 4. Find the red Unlink button and click on it. 5. Confirm your choice by clicking Unlink in the pop-up window. Once disconnected, the HubSpot icon will no longer appear in the sidebar. If you want to reconnect HubSpot in the future, simply follow the steps from the integration tutorial. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time!